Welcome to As It Hot. On Friday, we call them the Jollof edition. Sake of say, all the action story when we look this week, we go carry everything, drop them down, so that you go carry your long spoon from house, chook inside the matter, and talk them the way when the thing dey you for body, so that those when the matter concern go take the necessary action. My name na Ezugu Chukwudi. And as usual, I know they alone inside studio on top of this Ogbonge program. I dey with my brother when Sabi well as they concern politic matter. As It Hot.
Yes, now there are sequel edition that we don't carry come today will be Friday, and then as usual we'll go give now update of what we'll talk over the week, and then so that for those of now we miss out and during the week any issue when I miss out, now at least now we contribute to say okay, see our own opinions, see our own suggestion on this particular matter, and I also don't forget say we go open our phone line for now to also call because this one are between us and so that now also fit at least express ourselves. Yes, my name never still change. My name is Nkubi, and this now As It Hot.
As we do am on Monday, we tear the nylon come out on top of all the action story wey happen for Nigeria for the weekend. And we discuss plenty story them with our Ogbonge visitor, Reverend Dr. Kehinde Babarinde, will join us inside studio. We talk on so many things and in chook mouth for the matter to address all the issues. That particular Monday, we not dwell on any particular topic. The first story is when we carry come, now we discuss. Quickly, I go carry am enter inside Tuesday to talk about what we discuss on that Tuesday. On Tuesday, we look the kind things when they happen inside our politic arrangement. Sake of say, before president them inside our country, then they carry visit, go meet our new president. Some people they talk say they don't know what they discuss. The discussion are just between them and God when they for heaven. And other people they talk say the discussion get to do with the probe when Oga president one probe those when don't chop our money. We come they talk say which kind hand before president suppose get inside new government. Many people talk say you don't do your own, you don't go, make you calm down, allow the person when enter do his own and move this country forward. This will make you to chook your hand inside the new government. Now what we discuss on Tuesday be that.
And on Wednesday we'll come do it, we'll come carry and go the educational sector. And what we'll carry given now, we'll carry the story of the WAEC where people fail this time around. That is a massive failure. Now we get over 60%. Now in fail for this WAEC where they just release. And we'll come to ask ourselves, say, if this is on the trend for the past 5 years, we don't see a mass failure for WAEC. How go take define our educational sector? Who and who go play for the declining state of our educational sector? And then from the opinions and from the cause we get, you can see say the opinions come from different angles. Some people talk, say, look, government, they're supposed to do it, they're supposed to lay a very strong foundation. Say, okay, apart from government, look also look at the teachers themselves, because the students themselves, because everybody, in fact, everybody get hand for this issue. Because if they try and give government, you just like say, una dey innocent. We know today innocent because everybody needs to do it. Collectively come together to make sure say at least the educational sector will be one key sector, will be one key thing where everybody don't benefit from. Say make we do it, make we join and make sure say we elevate and make and they very strong. Now what we'll talk about on Wednesday with that.
On Thursday, we can look the visit of the National Peace Committee to the Aso Villa. Make we break them down, make everybody understand. We hear say on the 6th of August, the before President when just come out, Goodluck Ebele Jonathan carry waka go visit President Muhammadu Buhari. Nobody know what in the discourse. On the 7th, before President again, when they there, before somebody dead here, before Oga Jonah enter, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo carry waka go meet Oga President. And 5 days later, the National Peace Committee, when we say before the elections, then come together to talk, say, okay, make we prevail. I go speak English. Prevail on top of the major candidates for this election, so that peace go there for inside the general elections when we go get. Then come carry waka go meet them. The thing wey cause problem na the talk. When the spokesperson of that National Peace Committee, that is Bishop Hassan Matthew Koka of Sokoto Diocese talk, now he make plenty people shock. He come and talk, say, the work of the committee not be to dey chook eye inside things when we say no concern them. Their own na to make sure say equity, fairness, and justice dey for wetin we dey do for inside government. Say any government wey talk say dem wan chook eye inside wetin another government don do, dem must do am make balance dey inside. Plenty people come and talk say this thing when dem talk, the thing make plenty brain. Sake of say make we no get situation wey be say probe go come dey selective, e go come be tantamount to witch hunt. Other people talk say no be their business. Even our ogbonge guests wey join us, Oga Gbola Oba, he talk say no be their business. Say case when dey fraudulent or criminal, we get court when we say na their business to look into them. Make everybody just perch, cool down, so that government go do wetin dem go do, and we go move this our country forward. Now all the things when we discuss from Monday go reach Thursday, on top of as e dey hot be that, we go throw our phone lines open immediately after we go over these stories again to emphasize, so that when you call to chook mouth inside the matter for 90 seconds, you go just go straight to the point and talk am the way when the thing be you for body. Could be no time to waste time.
If we even look all the most of the headlines today, you go see say virtually all the issue we'll talk about this week, the issue of the visits, the issue of probing, because these two issues they interrelated, then they relate somehow. Because Monday now most of the issues we'll talk about, then Tuesday we come carry enter Oga Jonah we visit Oga Presido, and also Oga Mohammed OBJ will also visit Oga Presido, and they will also bring them down to yesterday Oga Gbola Oba come, and na the same issue, and if you can see the headline, you can see say na the same issue na im dey trending for this week. And according to this newspaper Union, you will see say the right say Senate probe power, say they go start to probe power from this thing from 1999, which means we don't see somehow some changes for that thing where Oga Muhammad Buhari be talk before, say look, he go only probe the government of Oga Jonah. We don't see say yes, they don't carry the probe go back right from 1999, and in fact at least now waiting, I believe say some Nigerians right now go this years now the due process now waiting they're supposed to. So may not start off from when I'm supposed to start off. May I not just say I want to stick to one particular government. I want to say then get some kind issues and when they in power.
The most important thing be say Nigerians, the general consensus now say we don't tire for corruption, and any government when they're willing to fight against corruption, we ready to support that government. This one just be like the final battle, because as we dey talk, corruption not become malignant tumor. When we say ogbonge person, when we say don't read book for inside this country, Professor Wole Soyinka talk say now the cesspool of evil inside this country, describing the NNPC. The corruption don't reach the level when we say at least out of every 10 Nigerians, 8 people go tell you say in chop am now, make them leave am. But we won't get situation when we say 7 out of 10 Nigerians, just like every other country for this world they do am. If they talk say this person chop money, all of us go point and finger at us say you be thief, you chop money when no belong to you, and we no go support you. Now the situation when we say person when chop this country money, they go carry and go court.
Get the liver to sit down to 30 years. I had the money.
I had the money.
Wetin I would do?
I will return this amount.
Just a portion of it.
They go carry and go court. They come. They bring strong word. They go talk say the court no get the locus standi to look the trial. Some people go collect what they call interlocutory injunction. They go from one court to the other. They carry us go Supreme Court. One case when supposed to end in 6 months, but they reach 5 years.
5 years, 10 years.
Some people they will come free them out of happiness. They will come change their name. What rubbish! We are no longer going to take it. Nigerians don't suffer tire. Not be we talk about fail when full inside WAEC. For 5 years, according to Oga Charles, systematic failure, rot, decay inside the system.
May I see, they try somehow. They
don't pay teachers.
See, somehow, I go talk this thing because.
Which kind this thing be this one? And events.
See, the way they try read the minds of our leaders, some of our leaders, when we say, if they won't come into government, do I read their mind, though? Now I say, okay, I won't enter into government, yes. Okay. For me, nobody thought of say, yes, if I enter, what now go do for my people? I go set up good educational system. I go make sure say the roads they very tight. I go make sure say water day in every region. So most of them they carry for mine. Most of them they carry for mine. Say, okay, I don't they enter now. How much they go they pay me? Okay, which kind of committee I go fee enter? Yes, I will fee head this committee because money they there. By the time I head this committee, I will fee make.
Some of them go come.
They give themselves target. Say,
some of them go come they fight, especially those when they want political party.
You don't do you.
When no,
It don't do you.
Excuse me, let me talk.
Man, let me talk.
No,
Let me
no,
talk.
no, no.
Let me finish my talk.
Make I remix this your talk so
No,
that
no,
the thing
no.
go sweet.
May I even land that
So
thing?
when they want particular political
don't-
party,
hey,
they no go agree.
Chukudi.
Don't be eating table for me.
Chukudi.
I must talk this talk. Join this
May I
one.
finish my talk before you talk now?
Let me talk the talk now.
Now me get the talk now. Now me carry the talk. Now me throw the talk for ground. Let me finish.
No verse. Finish. Finish.
So some of them they give a set target say okay between 4 years in the first 1 year now this amount I go fit make in the second year now okay in fact in the four years of my stay for that I will don't make this amount for myself. Now wait now so me the reason now the way I see say some of our leaders they take reason say now just their own interest they will don't give themselves target instead they give target for the development of the country they will give themselves target say between this range see what I go make for myself. It's as simple as that. And how you want to make am if not to steal from people those same money wey supposed channel into all this development now I carry and put in my own pocket because of wetin unto say na get Nigeria. Talk what you want talk but no ever make mistake of trying to when I dey talk something wey very important make you come dey bring in interlude.
This one dey very important because I know say as you wan talk that talk now you be no one call name.
Why I go call name? Well, we know now leaders they refer to generally. So I could just receive that to one particular set of people.
It good make we dey know people by their action so that we go know say when we see them tomorrow we go fit identify the kind role wey dem play. All of us know the people wey be say just because of position for 49 days they hold this country to ransom. You know all this. Don't run away from it.
It is a problem of the nation and as long as the oppositions and the current party and the current government were all involved in holding the country to ransom, now make we throw the blame to them.
But we know the people wey be say na them na from them.
I no go agree with you over that one.
We know the people wey you don't need to agree because Nigerians
no go agree with you over that
know the
one.
political party wey be say they drag position even though party talk say na this person we want and the people wey dey the party talk say why we no want this person and the people wey suppose choose the person wey dem wan choose. Make no let me start with you because for a while now I don't maintain my attack on you.
Wait. You know, as I start this thing, as I start my talk, I just writing deep inside my mind. I feel say, hey, okay, let me be moody today. Let me show that concern for you. Let us be in this. Make we align on the same track. Make we dey for the same track. Make we fit talk. So I can't even drop that bomb. Can't drop that talk with the intention of say yes. You go do it. You go support me. Talk. Now you can't twist matter. Which kind of human being you be?
But as you no wan talk the truth when I dey talk.
No. The whole thing why I don't talk is different from the truth.
But you no just call the people, the major actors.
Why I go call names?
The major actors. So
when me and you know them.
So that but our people wey dey for make them remember.
No, me and you know them.
But the people wey dey for need to remember.
All of them be the same.
But we know the example.
All of them from different things so they come them be the same.
But we know the example. The latest.
The same way when I get my own example during our own time.
The latest. But we dey talk about change now. Why you dey refer to the old time?
Because that place the foundation start.
Are you saying there's a continuation of the bad thing when not happen for this new government?
Now the bad thing won't try clean up now.
But why una can't continue from the bad one when we don't stop?
Now the process of cleaning up, the process of change.
For 49 days for government, whenever it's 75 days.
Issues a day for government.
Could be accept the fact say that particular action when they do that time, they're forehand. Nigerians don't forgive them. Don't forward. No, they justify.
The action.
Make we talk this one when we carry come today. This corruption when they cause problem inside this country.
They talk about
when
before.
Nigerians don't raise up their voice, say that woman will kill them. But you now, from the example when I give now, you won't begin to fight my example. Why? No, why? Answer the question. Why? When they talk about corruption and they give example of acts of corruption, people when we say because of position, that they cause trouble, even for their own political party, you begin one they fight up. Okay, why are you like this?
If you get mind, if you get liver, mention like 10 names or 12 names of people where they corrupt. Where you say come from. Mention.
Thank you very much.
Mention,
no, thank you very much.
Mention.
Not they command me to mention.
Mention those names.
Not they command me to mention.
Mention those names.
Now, the work of the people when we say now their responsibility to carry out investigation and do what they're supposed to do. Now the economic and financial crimes
I want make you mention names.
The Bible talk as they do not judge so that ye shall not be judged.
What did they do here since?
I know they judge anybody.
What did they do?
At the state fact.
Me said the state fact. Now fact the talk about the state.
Who could be? These people fight for position. I be they no fight for position.
When me and you know they fight for position.
Which party these people will fight for this position they? I don't talk lie. I never talk lie now. Why you they try dribble? you dey try one Maradona from this situation. I no go let you escape am.
See. Listen to me in capital letter. Listen to me. See.
I don't want capital. I want small letter.
No, I want make it day very good. As I talk,
who get the listen? No be me get the listen. If you don't make it small, I will not listen. If you don't make it small, I will not listen.
Boldly written listen.
If you don't make it small, I will not listen. If you don't make it small, I will not listen.
Chukudi, you will listen whether you like it or not.
Make it small.
In capital letter, you will listen.
Then I'm not listening. No, me get my ear. Now me get my ear.
How many times I call you?
I don't know how many times you call me.
See, the fact that you answer, you are listening.
Because I'm not listening.
The fact is
because I'm not listening.
The fact is
because I told you to make it in small letter.
The whole people where they're involved, wherever, I don't even know where they come from. Whether I'm from this particular political party or from the other people who start the whole bege, I no one know. As long as Nana hold the country to ransom, Nana go blame.
Who then go blame?
All of una.
Which will be all of una?
All of una.
The people when we say 49 days, they no agree make government move forward. Which they play all of?
As if na no get hand, it don't do you. Make we not make this a fashion.
Don't ever tell me say something don't do me.
I say don't do you.
No, the time say don't do me. It will do me when I say it will do me.
And I say don't do you.
You cannot say it don't do me.
What do you mean I can't say it?
You cannot say it don't do me.
Chukudi, it don't do you. Mind yourself.
No, they tell me say make I mind myself. What do you mean?
Which one you go take now? You don't do you. Mind yourself. Which one you want take there?
I don't take anyone.
And I go to use that for you.
You are in trouble.
It don't do you.
If you try
mind yourself. It don't do you. Mind yourself. It don't do you. Chukudi, mind yourself. Oh yeah, now.
I get military background.
It don't do you.
I get military
mind
background.
Yourself.
See, this is an attack on me.
This is also an attack on me because when you mention military background, which means me will not come get the military background. What you try tell me say me, you go take that thing, they launch attack, you go take and they humiliate me, they take threaten me, Abi.
Make this show finish, you go see what I'll do you.
Okay, you see I'm Nigerians.
Make we take this
Nigerians.
Make we take
before now don't they open my hand, they state my see if anything happen to me na hold Chukudi. Don't take your home and say make this show finish. If anything, make I even get make one spot. Even if your hand like this touch me, Chukudi. Anyway, Oga Chukudi they call us from Owerri. Good morning, Oga Chukudi. Now your 7 grades with that. Oga Chukudi, good morning.
You don't use talk Poshuan. You don't use talk Poshuan. You see how you don't use talk Poshuan. Chukudi they know they like shout. They know they like noise. Chukudi, they know they like noise. They know they like shout.
What be your name?
I'm in the studio. In there for house.
No, what be your name?
Chukudi, they when they house.
As it takes state.
Chukudi, they when they house.
They shout.
Make we take Oga Polycarp. You see the way when they call him Polycarp from Enugu. Oga Polycarp, good morning, sir. You see, good morning.
Don't do you. Oga Polycarp, good morning. Yes, we go try. Just one arm. In they threaten me on this program. I don't know why.
We now want applicants. The thing why I want to talk about is about the education sector once more. Because that is a situation, just like I said before, any nation that neglected the educational sector is heading for a doom. Because education brought all the whole civilization in the whole world. Everything that comes from we have now and we are going to have. This modern world now is based on education. So we should not neglect this sector. The only thing problem I have now is that a lot of people are involved in this issue. Right from the big men and the small men. Even the issue itself. Like the time we have public schools and mission schools. And then with the mission we think that the things are going to get better. But it didn't have matter. Because these rich men kidnapped the mission schools. And they don't the mission made the tuition fee to be very, very high. Some mission schools like the Institute College in Abuja. Their tuition fees there is more than what they pay in most universities in Nigeria. If you can pay for millions or thousands or from that in the secondary school also, imagine what we do in the so-called primary school. You want to talk about people like you go to Apti Academy, American Apti University at Yola, or American International School in Abuja, or the so-called University of Boston. All these things, you get the issue of the doorman. I myself, I attended public school, and I didn't find, but president government will come in and step in. But let them not spend all their whole time proving and proving people because
in fact, in fact, are they excited? Say they try to remind Nigerians of the fact. Say yes, education, where they among the issues we will talk about this week. Say now you the hammer on path because now waiting one of the major things where the government need to pay attention to because by the time they pay attention to education, at least we go feel raise foundation. So thank you very much, Oga Polycarp. Thank you.
Make the put time well when.
Yes.
Because this 3-4 because started. By that time is waiting to fall. Even teachers were just engaging in this thing, so-called lessons. They need to do lessons.
Oga Poly, in fact, thank you very, very much for your contribution. Thank you. May we collect the next call. Good morning, Oga Chukwudi. You dey call back. Good morning.
Yes. Good morning, Kubi and Chukwudi, my brother.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, honestly, this matter as it take concern corruption, a very serious matter. And it's good for people where they lead us, where they tell us the truth at any point in time. Because Bible talk and say that truth will set you free.
Yes.
Waiting be this one now, where we say, for example, for my Imo State, where we there, as I talk you now. This bailout, where they don't give
governors,
where they take, arrange their area.
Yeah, exactly.
Our governor come back from Singapore yesterday, come talk say that bailout never reach Imo State. We know say other states don't collect their own bailout. Other than a PDP state. Imo State na APC state. Wetin come dey delay our own. And we know say the national chairman of governors forum, will be governor of Zamfara state, come tell us say that bailout they don't give them. Any state will never collect their own bailout. Even I say the state they owe the bank. Now our leader, we're supposed to tell the people where in the lead the truth, not to tell us truth. He said the bailout never come. What you call that one? Don't be corruption. Now because they don't tell us say Imo State they rich, we know they borrow money. Now make the no fit come tell us say we get problem, we get wala. Make we know as we go take arrange our belly now as we don't tight.
But
that one corruption too.
Oga Chukwudi.
Yeah,
what be the role of the House of Assembly for Imo State? Because
Imo
all
State,
these things that they also supposed to put inside.
Make I tell you as it be now for Imo State. The House of Assembly now, yesterday, they now march go governor house, say they never paid them for the past 3 months. Now we get day now as we dey talk. So waiting to happen for our money, na corruption. This will not be PDP matter, now APC versus APC. Where truth today for this one? It could be there answer me. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Oga Chukwudi.
Very important points now you don't raise. Our people waiting for us when I go see say the conversation they go on as it take concern all the action story when we do this week. We go quick enter break. When we come back, we'll continue to discuss the matter as it is hot.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.